Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance WRPD. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the New Balance WRPD. We got this in the UK size 7.5. It is a European 41.5 and it's a US 8. Here we go. Very unique sneaker, very different to what I'm used to when I'm wearing a pair of New Balances, but you've got that running inspiration throughout. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole and it's got the wavy traction patterning right there. The midsole unit, very chunky look. Again, it reminds me of the New Balance 237 in regards to the shape, but it's very, very different. It uses the fuel cell midsole from New Balance. Very comfortable. It's a foam for your cushioning and support. And the upper is essentially a knitted sock, but you've got hits of suede all around the sneaker. So you can see the paneling in this hairy brown suede around the toe box. Kind of got like a pressed knit N on the logo. The medial side is the same as the lateral. And you look at the toe box, again, as I mentioned before, it's essentially a knitted mesh right there for your breathability. Tongue very nice and padded. You've got flat laces in the black. And if you look at the heel counter, the fuel cell midsole kind of extends all the way there. And you've got the hairy suede paneling. And you've got a textile midsole for your comfort. Very lightweight sneakers when you want. I kind of dig this black and brown colorway. Does remind me of a New Balance 237 though. I mean, those were really hot. So hopefully this WRPD makes its rounds amongst the sneakerhead community or even the fashionista and fashion bloggers community. Really here for it. I'm really excited to try some fuel cell midsoles on. I think it's the first. No, it's not. I'm lying. We've done plenty of fuel cell midsoles, but this is a new silhouette from New Balance. It's WRPD. I think it means warped. If anyone from New Balance is watching, and we know that you are, let us know in the comment section below. All that said, let's try these on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 when it comes to New Balance sneakers. These fit perfectly and they are very comfortable. It must be the fuel cell technology on the midsole. Got that chunky trainer look as well. Looks more elevated. Does look really cool on with the black and brown. For those wondering what joggers I'm wearing a pair of the parachute joggers from Uniqlo. We are not sponsored by Uniqlo. If anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw some good stuff for you boys. Consider us for your next campaign. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.